What's up, everybody? Shannon Sagan here, 1-800-FLA Lawyer, also known as the Dashcam Lawyer. So let me tell you a dashcam story of a friend of mine right now who is a client. She was stopped at a red light. She was stopped behind another vehicle, about a car and a half length behind, when she was hit at 45 miles an hour. Her very nice luxury car was completely smashed in and totaled. That impact pushed her into the car in front of her. She did not have a dash cam, and unfortunately, because she didn't have a dash cam, she's being sued by the driver in the front. The driver in the front is saying that she was hit first by my client, and then my client was hit second by the car behind her. If she had the dash cam, it would have shown that she had been stopped at a safe distance, and there's nothing she could have done to avoid hitting the girl in front of her. And because the girl behind has no coverage and a crappy car, the girl in the very front has hired a lawyer to come after my friend because she's got a good coverage and a good expensive car. So this is another reason to have a dash cam. They're a couple $100. Go get one. It'll save you on money and claims and people lying. For a free consultation, give us a call at 1-800-FLA Lawyer, or you can book something online at 1-800-FLALawyer.com.